ছাৰ বাইদেউসকল আজি নিষ্ঠা 2.0 কোৰ্চ 8 স্কুল লিডাৰশ্বিপ কনচেপ্ট এণ্ড এপ্লিকেশ্যনৰ কুইজ পৰ্চন কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ সমাধান কৰিব লৈছোঁ। তেনেহ'লে আহক আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। লিডাৰশ্বিপ ফৰ লাৰ্ণিং ফ্ৰেমৱৰ্ক ডাজ নট ইনক্লুড। সঠিক অপশ্যনটো হ'ল ক্ৰিয়েটিং কনফ্লিক্ট। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, হোৱাই ইজ স্কুল বেছড ডাটা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট। সঠিক অপশ্যন, এজ এ ছেট অফ এভিডেন্স টু বি ইউজড ফৰ স্কুল ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মেশ্যন। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, টিমছ ইন স্কুল মাষ্ট নট প্ৰমোট। সঠিক অপশ্যন, কনফ্লিক্টিং চিটুৱেশ্যন। Which of these is not a correct attitude during mentoring a teacher? সঠিক অপশ্যনটো হ'ল ক্ৰিটিচাইজিং টিচাৰ ফৰ লেক অফ এবিলিটি টু চল্ভ দ্য প্ৰব্লেম। Which decision can yield positive outcomes? সঠিক অপশ্যনটো হ'ল ones which are based on evidence. Teachers can enhance competencies among students from low socio-economic background by. সঠিক অপশ্যনটো হ'ল identifying their learning needs and collaboratively planning for improving their outcomes. Leadership for learning does not focus on. সঠিক অপশ্যনটো হ'ল delaying taking decision. Techniques of academic supervision do not include. সঠিক অপশ্যনটো হ'ল dominating teachers. Next question, a transformational leader is one who is a. সঠিক অপশ্যনটো হ'ল visionary. The central idea of leadership for learning is. সঠিক অপশ্যনটো হ'ল every stakeholder of the school is a continuous and lifelong learner. Next, secondary level is an important stage of education because it is a roadway for higher education and world of work. Next question, the overall responsibility of the school leader is to. সঠিক অপশ্যন, prepare school development plan in collaboration with stakeholders. Next question, the two most important attributes of self for becoming an effective leader are. সঠিক অপশ্যন, an initiator and a positive outlook. One of the most important role of a secondary school leaders is to. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল lead continuous professional development of self and teachers. Next, values leadership comprise of. সঠিক answer, belief, values, knowledge and experience. Next, an effective way to deal with conflict resolution is. সঠিক answer, use effective communication skill. School development plan needs to be based on. সঠিক উত্তৰটো হ'ল a diagnostic exercise of the school covering all aspects. Next, how do you relate learners' outcome with learning teaching process? সঠিক answer, learners' outcome depend on effective learning teaching process. Next question, an effective behavioral strategy for conflict resolution is. সঠিক answer, constructive active. Effective leadership at secondary level is aimed at. Answer, developing learner competencies among students. ইয়াৰ পিছত submit বটনত ক্লিক কৰক। এতিয়া নেক্সট পাৰ্টখন আলোচনা কৰোঁ আহক। When a school leader mediates in a conflict situation between teacher, he or she must ideally. সঠিক answer, problem solve. Next, reflective thinking is. সঠিক answer, analyzing and evaluating thoughts and actions. One of the most important role of a secondary school leader is to. সঠিক answer, lead continuous professional development of self and teachers. Developing self for a school leader is important for. Answer: enhancing self-confidence which equips one to take up challenges. How do you relate learner outcome with learning teaching process? Answer: learner outcomes depend on effective learning teaching process. Next, leadership for learning does not draw special features from. Answer: autocratic leadership. Secondary level is an important stage of education because it is a roadway for higher education and world of work. The central idea of leadership for learning is. Answer: every stakeholder of the school is a continuous and lifelong learner. Which one is not a function of an academic supervisor? Correct answer: demotivating teachers and staff. Which of these is not a strategy for non-violent communication? Correct option 2, becoming aggressive. Next, academic leadership does not include. Answer: knowledge of rules and regulation. Which of these is not a model of school leadership? Answer: negative leadership. Techniques of academic supervision do not include. Answer: dominating teachers. The two most important attributes of self for becoming an effective leader are. Answer: an initiator and a positive outlook. A transformational leader is one who is a. Answer: visionary. Next question, learning rounds is most helpful in. Correct answer: building teachers' capacities for effective transaction of learning teaching process. An effective behavioral strategy for conflict resolution is. Correct answer: constructive active. Stress management strategy would be based on. Answer: developing human connect. Vision building is important for. Answer: setting a futuristic direction for transformational of a school. Next question, values leadership comprises of. Answer: belief, values, knowledge and experience.